Saturday, September 4th, 2021. Let's get started. Hi guys. If you watched the last video, you know I just pulled this stuff out the ground from the front yard. I'll be putting it in the backyard. I have to find somewhere for it to go. All this stuff. Over here too. Oh yeah. Petunias. Red salvias. I'm thinking over here by the gate. Figure out a way to position everything. In one of my last videos, I talked about putting another pot in front of the garage, just like this one. So I'll take those annuals from that pot and bring them over here. Put them in front of the door. It's gonna look great. Last but not least, I'll take the mums out of this pot. It's just a temporary pot. And what I'll do is replace it with this pot over here that was in the front yard. It's bigger. Gives the chrysanthemums more space. Of course, I have some in-ground garden soil. But you know what? I've used potting mix for in-ground stuff for potting mix. Trust me, the soil police won't be paying you a visit. It's okay. I picked the plant up and placed it over here. And look what jumped out. Little visitor. Guess he was hiding somewhere in the plant. It's okay. I decided to clip the plants again. Afterwards, I'll take it, plant it in front of one of the poles. During my last video, I worked up front, but I will come back here to keep the flowers and plants moist. As a reminder, when you're doing something like this, keep the roots somewhat wet. You don't want them to dry out. Again, I'm clipping this plant. I'll do the other one the same. Got some green coming in. That's a good sign. Guess the roots are still working, sending energy up. Make sure I plant this the right way. Okay, that's done. Let's put it in its new home over by the gate, right in front of the pole. I'm going to make sure that these holes are deep enough and wide enough. Have to also keep in mind that I plan on removing this gate and putting up a new fence, so spacing is crucial. This is a good one. Nice and deep, at least deep enough. Think it'll work. Just trying to get an idea of what it looks like. Definitely add some soil, level it a little better than this. Nothing to it, guys. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. Can't forget this. Time to add some blue magic. You can also use topsoil to fill in the holes. That way you don't run out of all your premium stuff. It works great. Let's see how this turned out. Spacing is okay. Got it in front of the pole. Plant can be in better shape, but wait till next year. I dug the other hole and added my special cheat code. Finally got them both in. Here's the first one. There's the second one. All right. We're making progress. Trying to figure out what should I do with all my annuals. Maybe put the red ones here, there, the purple ones here, red ones here. I don't know. So many to go around. Not a whole lot of space. Like the red salvias. Actually, I can do without the purple ones here. We'll see. I'm staging the red salvias. I like them along the gate. Don't think I need anything else. I'll put the bigger ones or the bushy ones in the middle. Smaller ones on the sides. Just like this. And these are struggling ones in my hand. They're not needed. They can go. So yeah, I think I've figured out what I'm going to do. Looks good. Oh yeah. I'll go with this. I ran out of topsoil, in-ground soil, even the potting mix. So I have to go to the store and pick up more. Made a quick run to Home Depot. Let's finish up. What do you guys think? This is all just temporary. The white plants will bloom next year. The red salvias will be replaced by rose bushes. I just wanted to add some color by the gate. It was too dull, too plain. Moving right along, let's find a new home for these annuals. I might as well take out one of the creeping phlox since there's 2 in this pot and move it to the second pot. Then I can add everything else. Finish with this. Like how it turned out. Let's switch that pot out now. Better. I encourage you guys to keep your pots. You never know when you'll need them. That looks good. All right, let's wrap this up. You didn't really think I was going to make a video back here without talking about the rose bushes, did you? Those are great. These are great too. Well, we'll see how this plays out. See if all our hard work pays off. Those white plants will bloom next year. Guarantee it. You know the motto. Take care of your families. Take care of your bodies. Take care of your lawns too. Bye. I almost forgot the most important part. You have to water. Now you guys can go. Get out of here.